Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. More businesses are showing an interest in investing in Dancehall St. Anne. Quartz Jamaica is the latest company to open its doors in the area. More in this report.
The continued expansion of commercial activity in Dancehall St. Anne is seen as a game changer in a parish once renowned for tourism.
When you look at this strip here, all the investments that have been put down in the last 4 or 5 years, you're looking at several $1 billion of investments. But look a little deeper. How many jobs are here now?
Quartz Jamaica, part of Unicommerce Group, opened its 30th Jamaican store in the area, adding to the list of companies that have invested heavily in Dancehall.
It's really the vibrant people of Jamaica, its vibrant economy, and its vibrant communities that really has propelled us to really grow in this market, and where we're committed to continue growing.
To other prospective investors, Prime Minister Andrew Holness made this pitch.
Employment is expanding, more people have income, exchange rate is stable and free, inflation is on its way down. The public debt has gone down to the lowest it has ever been in 30 years. At the end of this fiscal year, we will be below 70% debt to GDP.
He was, however, quick to point out there are other factors which hinder investments, issues like crime, the poor state of the roads, and other critical infrastructure. But Mr. Holness says he remains optimistic.
As we pursue the economic development and getting the macroeconomic variables right, the dividends from that, rest assured, the dividends from that will be reinvested in the people in tangible ways. That is why we did something like the reverse tax credit, never before in Jamaica's history, where the government is giving back to people who earn less than $3 million per year.
For the Business Day, I'm Javon Keys.
The World Bank has downgraded its outlook for economic growth in Jamaica. Jamaica is now expected to see gross domestic product GDP growth of 0.8% in 2024. The latest outlook reflects a consensus that sectors are returning to low growth levels seen before the pandemic. It's made worse by lower productivity in some sectors linked to Hurricane Beryl in July. The estimate in October 2024 reflects a downward revision from the 2% growth forecast in April. The World Bank has, however, upgraded its growth outlook for 2025, with GDP expected to increase by 2.2%. In April, the 2025 forecast was for 1.6% growth. The Jamaican dollar has hit a new record low compared to the U.S. currency. At the close of trading on Thursday, $1 US is selling for $159.24. The previous record was $159.07, set on Wednesday, October 9. As for the other benchmarks, banks and cambios are selling the Canadian dollar for $116.08. $207.75 is the average value of the pound, while the euro is going for $176.64. And to the stock market now, the JSE main index lost 291 points today, while the junior market declined by 11 points. Among the 45 winners, medical disposables and supplies, Knutsford Express Services, Cargo Handlers, Epley, and Salada Foods Jamaica. The 45 losers include Cygnus Real Estate Finance US dollar shares, CAC 2000, The Lab, MFS Capital Partners, and Elite Diagnostics. 13 stocks closed the session selling at the same price they started trading. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.